confirm and purchase. Now that you found the car you're looking for, all you have to do is to make a booking request. Booking request is a function that allows you to ask Autowini to make the booking of the vehicle that you want to buy. Please, this is only a request and not a real final booking. Autowini will contact you to confirm your booking after you submit all the required information. Now move to the next step. The required information goes from basic information such as name, address, phone number, as well as country, postal code, and other important information so our staff can contact you directly. Now that you've finished completing information, all you have to do is click on Submit Request and wait until the booking request is confirmed. Now, you will receive an email where they call the contact information for our staff, or you can talk to our staff directly by checking on the window you see here, and you click on WhatsApp messages or just call them directly via their phone. Once our staff has confirmed pushing your vehicle to the next step, all you have to do is confirm the payment. So, go to your car options in your profile and check to the request details. Here you can download the commercial invoice, where you can just take this invoice to the bank and make the transfer. And when you have your transfer done, take a good image or scan and click on Upload Payment Receipt. Once the payment is uploaded, we'll receive a message in our system, or you can talk also directly to our staff so they can help you directly. Now, that is the process on how to make a booking request and confirm a purchase. Now let's go one more time in all the steps you need to do in order to make a purchase. First is make a booking request and complete the requested information. Contact our staff of Autowini so you can ask all the questions you need to do and know about the car you want to buy. Then proceed with the payment by downloading the commercial invoice and uploading the payment proof to the Autowini website. Once the payment is approved and confirmed, the payment process will begin and Autowini will start taking care of the rest.